Here we are, we're back on the road again. New Waymo City. This time we're in Dallas. And we gotta say, the reaction we've been getting in Dallas riding around in Waymos the last 2 days has been interesting. I had some interesting conversations last night with individuals that have, wow, is that a ghost? I've never been this. Are you feel safe? So we had those conversations, and we're back to getting the looks. This is not San Francisco. This is not the Bay Area. This is Texas, and yes, we're getting weird looks riding around in the Waymo. It's still integrating into the city. So far, so good. While we might have gotten weird looks riding around the Waymos throughout Dallas, we were on a mission to uncover the depots. We wanted to get a true understanding of what does the Waymo-Avis partnership look like. And lo and behold, we found out there's 2 depots. Let's show you Depot 1 now and what we uncovered. Here it is. We found the Waymo depot in Dallas, Texas. Counted 18 Waymos outside. There's 4 bays, plenty of room to do inside stuff. And it appears that Waymo's getting ready to scale operations here in Dallas because right now there's power generation on site. However, we are in a commercial park with an XPO Logistics across the street. Plenty of land to expand, but all looks good here on the ground at Waymo's depot. As you watch the video, you'll notice this appears to be a perhaps temporary depot as there is no permanent infrastructure. And if you look very closely at the video, you will notice an individual wearing a neon green Transdev vest who is using portable charging to charge the Waymos. Another sign this is perhaps a temporary depot and not a permanent depot. And while we were there, we counted roughly 18 Waymos. A lot of space. There's indoor space. But what we also did see there, we saw an individual manually cleaning the vehicles outside, not inside. What were they cleaning? Sensors. Here we are. We're en route to our second Waymo depot in Dallas. Interesting thing to note is the depots are on opposite ends of the ODD, a clear sign that Waymo is getting ready to scale in this market. Well, we saw at the first depot, no permanent infrastructure yet. Let's see what we uncover at the second depot. As you can see in the video, we're pulling up to the second Waymo depot. This depot is located in East Dallas. The really interesting thing about this depot, the land is owned by an LLC that gets traced back to a mailing address in Utah. That mailing address belongs to the Avis Budget Group. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Waymo Avis Depot in Dallas. Here it is, Waymo Depot number 2. What did we uncover? Roughly 36 fast chargers getting ready to scale. Very similar layout to what we saw in Miami. Waymo has big plans here. They have the energy in place, but they're still building the infrastructure. As we talk about all the time, infrastructure is one of the keys to building and scaling a robotaxi network. And Waymo, what we're seeing behind us is clearly demonstrating they're getting ready to scale in Dallas. That was Dallas. And as you saw, we uncovered 2 depots. Is there a third depot? We don't know. Perhaps there could be. What we do know is that as Waymo expands into new domestic markets and international markets, we're going to go visit those markets. We're going to go for rides in the Waymos. We're going to visit the depots, and we're going to bring you the on-the-ground field intelligence that the Road to Autonomy is known for. So be sure to subscribe to the Road to Autonomy at roadtoautonomy.com. And to our various podcasts, Autonomy Markets, Autonomy Signals, our flagship, the Road to Autonomy podcast, and last but not least, be sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, This Week in the Autonomy Economy. The future is bright, the future is autonomous, the future is scaling Waymo.
Right now, somewhere, a company is making a move in plain sight. The street reads the headline, Autonomy AI sees the signal. We deliver it before the market catches up. Autonomy AI, your models, our intelligence. Request a private strategic briefing at AUTNMY.ai.